Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and I am Aroma, and in today's video I'm going to review these sheet masks from Tony Moly, which I have recently ordered from Nykaa. So when it comes to sheet mask, Tony Moly is my favorite brand. So here I have basically 7 sheet masks. I'll be reviewing them one by one. So before jumping into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. Hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. So let's get started. So here I have this green tea sheet mask which is from Tony Moly. So there are many benefits of green tea for skin, like it reduces redness and irritation, it treats acne, moisturizes skin, and it also protects skin against skin cancer. So the sheet is made from 100% cotton, which is really very good, and as compared to 100 rupees, this sheet mask contains a lot of serum. Like the quantity of the serum is too much, which is a good thing, and there are directions given at the back in Korean language. Now let's talk about this red ginseng sheet mask. So this one is my favorite sheet mask. That's why I have two of them. One is for myself and one is for my mother. So this sheet mask provides a healthy glow after application. Like the skin starts glowing after application, and this sheet mask is the best in the market. Like I have tried many sheet masks before, but I didn't get that good glow. But once I apply this sheet mask, my starts glowing so beautifully that you won't believe. This one is the best sheet mask in the market. I worth every penny. Like as compared to 100 rupees, I literally worth every penny. So if you're looking for a sheet mask that provides an instant and healthy glow after one time application, go for this one. So first of all, let me tell you that Tony Moly brand originates from Korea. So Korean people have really good skin, so that's why I prefer buying products that are made in Korea. So now I have this aloe vera sheet mask from Tony Moly. So aloe vera is basically known for moisturization. Like if your skin is very dry, you can go for this sheet mask. I'm using this sheet mask and I have dry skin, so it's really good for my skin. And this also contains a lot of serum. The quantity is also very good in this sheet mask. So now here comes the Pearl mask sheet. So Pearl is basically known for brightening. So if you have dull skin, you can try this Pearl one. Like it gives instant glow. So the texture is also very good. The gentle mask brightens skin. It's also written at the back, as you can see. And yeah, it provides a healthy glow. Like if you don't have glow on your face, you can try this one. It's very gentle and yeah, it's brightening. So yeah, the MRP for this one is 100 rupees, which I think is very affordable. Like all the sheet masks cost for 100 rupees. Okay, now let's talk about this rice sheet mask, which is also from Tony Moly. So it's basically meant for clear skin. So let me tell you the benefits about rice for your skin. So rice basically keeps your skin supple, and it also helps in preventing wrinkles. Rice also appears to have natural sunscreen properties. Other studies show strong evidence for the anti-aging benefits of fermented rice water because of its antioxidant properties. So this sheet mask is also really good, and it provides a healthy and clear skin after usage. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like it. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. And I have reviewed all the 6 sheet mask that I have, and they are really amazing, so you can try. Link will be in the description box below, so do check it up, and I'll meet you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.